Dear customers, I'm proud to announce that again this year CDL will have his main draw for the open house. For any purchases, you will have the chance to win our grand prize of $25,000 of CDL equipment. You're welcome to go in any local stores to purchase what you need, and that will give you the chance to participate to the draw. So we wish you good luck. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.